Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and trying out a Mosaic Dinosaur Kit. My mom bought it for me for $7.99. Let's get started. Okay, so it's a mosaic, so it's designed by Gwen Carville. It's ages 5 to 8, and on the back it says that it comes with these two awesome dinosaurs. And so you get to put these little squares on them. Let's open it up. Okay, and so I'm gonna open it by getting off this little sticker. There we go. Okay, so here's one. So, and here's two. So these are the two awesome dinosaur projects. I think I'm gonna do this one. Well, it comes with these very shiny stickers that you put on there.
Are there instructions?
So these are the instructions. It comes with this little book, and it's cute because there's illustrations and pictures. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna follow this part of the instructions. Let's open up this pack. So these numbers show where to put the sticker, to put our little square stickers. It shows that 5 is the number. It seems that the orange squares go to the number 5, and 6 is the number where you put the red square, and the number 1 is where you put the gold, and 3 is where you put the tan, and 7 is where you put the brown. Okay, so we also need a tannish color. You know what? That's it. So we don't need the colors green and silver. I'm gonna follow the instructions. Oop. I think I'm gonna do like it seems that it's actually yellow. So let's do the yellow color and we put it on the 5. Here. Oh, 2 at a time. I think this is gonna take a long time to do, but it still is really fun. I feel pretty good at doing this. If it didn't come with the instructions, then I think it would be pretty difficult to put the squares on the right number. I have to match the number with the correct color. These little tiles, they feel really smooth and they're very light, so it's really easy to hold them. They stick really good, and I'm really enjoying doing this project because I love sticking things together, and this is actually a really easy project. This project is so easy that I don't even need a grown-up. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish all these 5s first and then move on to the next color. You can start with whatever color you want. It doesn't matter what color you start with, but it matters if you put it on the right number. Okay, so I'm just gonna look around here to see if there's any more extra 5s that I haven't put a sticker on. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the next color. I think I'll choose red.
Is it a little tricky to get the squares to fit the right way?
Yeah, it's pretty tricky to put the squares on the right tile.
And just so they're perfectly straight.
Yep. This is a pretty relaxing project. It's like for when you're listening to something like an audiobook. It's peaceful. It's a really peaceful project. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to our next color, which I think I'm gonna use gold. Well, I think it's matched with number 1.
dinosaur is almost as sparkly as your shirt is.
Cool. Well, the hardest thing about this project is putting on the squares because see that guy right there? You have to push him down. See?
They keep popping up.
Yep. Pop. Pop. They pop up everywhere.
Can you fix it if one goes on crooked?
Yep. You just like squeeze them down if they're on top and you just remove them and do it again if it's gone crooked.
Okay.
So my next color will be brown. This is the last color I have to use. And you put it on the number 7. I'm really excited because I'm almost done. To me, it looks really cool. Not very many 7s. Not too many, at least. This is my finished dinosaur. I really enjoyed doing it because there's the tiles. They were really sparkly. And you should actually just try this one. You should definitely do that because it's just so much fun to build.
Where are you going to hang it?
I think I'm gonna hang it up in my room. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Oh, go blow your nose.
I really enjoyed
Wait, one fell off.
Oops. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!